out to targets 1.5 miles away with something shorter than a conventional assault rifle.
We created the Stealth Recon Scout because we found conventional rifle systems were too long and cumbersome.
Target, 578 yards.
The people at Desert Tactical Arms went back to the drawing board and developed an alternative design for their Stealth Recon Scout.
The Stealth Recon Scout is unique because it's a bullpup sniper rifle, so the feeding mechanism is behind the grip and the trigger.
The unique bullpup layout makes it the shortest purpose-built sniper rifle ever.
The significance of the bullpup aspect of the weapon is that it's shorter and more compact for the same barrel length.
But not only does the Stealth Recon Scout allow you to switch barrels, it also allows you to switch rounds. From the standard .308 to the specialized .338 Lapua sniper cartridge.
A multi-caliber capability is real important in an urban environment because you don't want a round that will go a mile all the time. You want something that'll go a couple hundred yards and have low penetration.
The .338 gives you anti-material cartridge use out to 1,500 meters. Being able to use it in .308 provides you the capability to use lesser cost ammunition and train with a different cartridge and simply switch barrels when you need to.
And switching barrels on this system couldn't be easier.
It's very easy to convert this system. Right now, we have it set up as a .338 Lapua Magnum. All we need to do is remove the butt pad, remove the bolt, take the magazine out. With an Allen wrench, we turn each of these 4 screws half a turn. And there's a barrel lock on the other side of the weapon. You rotate that 180 degrees. You grab the barrel, slides right out. This is a 22-inch barrel, .308. It's got an indexing point at the bottom that aligns it every time you put it back in so that it's repeatable. We have a .308 bolt. Bolt headspace is on the barrel. We lock the new barrel in, torque down the 4 receiver screws. We get our .338 magazine, reattach our butt plate, and we're ready to go.
The operator can get in the area, fire easily, and get out with the portability of a 31-inch weapon.
The advantage to a sniper out in the field with a Stealth Recon Scout is that modularity. The modularity really is the key because it allows him to switch out calibers, let's say from .308 or .762 by 51 millimeter to .338 Lapua. And you have now have a weapon that can go from going against anti-materiel targets like armored vehicles to a smaller caliber weapon that is intended for personnel.
The Stealth Recon Scout brings unique versatility combined with maximum stealth in a compact, lightweight package.
Whether a police sniper is shooting 50 yards or a military sniper is shooting a mile.
If you have to travel light but still need to pack a punch when you get there, then maybe the answer is this, the AS-50. Coming in at number 5, this system was developed for the Navy SEALs, and it shoots the mighty .50 caliber cartridge.
It was designed to provide a semi-automatic sniper system in .50 caliber with a 5-round magazine.
The SEALs needed a weapon that could be quickly disassembled and carried by a small team over difficult terrain.
The AS-50 can be broken down into two major components, so from a portability point of view, it's fairly easy to carry.
It can be put together in under 3 minutes using nothing but a screwdriver. It's designed for the Navy SEALs to bring out of the water, put together, and defend their targets out to 1,500 meters or so.
Navy SEALs are trained to be tough, durable, and battle-ready in any conditions. And they expect their weapons to be the same.
This weapon is impervious to mud, seawater, dirt, snow. It's designed to be used by the hardiest of the troops in the field.
The AS-50 achieves this through precision engineering and attention to detail.
The moving parts are very high specification materials. It's also got grooves for sand to clear out should you be shooting in sandy or dirty conditions. You literally pick it up, shake the water off it and the sand off and carry on firing.
Close up, the AS-50's mechanism performs a complex, beautifully choreographed sequence of events to eject the spent cartridge and reload a new one, ready to fire. This all happens in less than 1/3 of a second.
The rate of fire of the AS-50 has actually been timed at 5 rounds in 1.6 seconds.
Right. Central left. On.
It's very good for keeping people's heads down.
On. Target destroyed.
This high rate of fire makes it devastating.
You can fire 5 rounds in quick succession accurately into a position, and that enables someone to get in. As quick as I'm speaking, that's it, finished.
The secret lies in the unique floating barrel mechanism, which minimizes movement as the bullet leaves the muzzle, enabling the shooter to stay on target.
Before any slide moves or any part of the mechanism moves within the weapon, the bullet is between 50 and 100 yards downrange.
The AS-50's titanium build makes it both strong and light.
It means it's man-portable, so snipers can carry it. Special Forces operators can carry it. So it's a more versatile tool.
But for even greater devastation, the AS-50 uses armor-piercing incendiary rounds. These can penetrate concrete or steel and still have enough energy left to reach their final destination.
What's really cool about the .50 caliber when engaging enemy personnel is it's intimidating. You know it's 1 shot per customer, you only have to shoot a guy 1 time, okay, and you're done.
So if you start firing that towards insurgents, they're going to basically keep their heads down, which gives cover and fire for our troops to move in.
Rapid fire rate, armor-piercing rounds. And as if that wasn't enough, this semi-automatic weapon is almost as accurate as its bolt-action counterparts.
What's really important about the AS-50 is that it allows you to have a rifle that's essentially as accurate as a bolt-action rifle in a semi-auto rifle package. That's a big plus.
The AS-50 from Accuracy International is a sniper rifle that's designed to travel, and it's on target to make a big impression wherever it goes. After the break, an old standard gets a new lease on life with Barrett's groundbreaking new round. And later, which weapon would you choose for the freezing conditions of the Arctic?